Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I have brought a new custom ROM for Redmi 5 Rosy. Let's check the specification. As you can see, this is our you will get the Android version 11 in this ROM. This is the STYX project. As you can see, this is the latest version. 25 May kernel is installed in this ROM, and the ROM version is 1.4. Device maintainer name Abin. And let's check the features. And the kernel is 12 plus kernel is installed in this ROM. 5 May security patch. As you can see, today we will review this ROM. We will check out the 3D benchmark, 3D mark test, and PUBG. I have tested the PUBG performance is not good, not the best one, but it is okay. If I talk about the Wi-Fi with the secured VPN is not working in the PUBG. The ping is very low, so that's why I will not able to show you. In only in this ROM the ping is very low. In other devices is working perfectly fine. And if I talk about the safety net, let's check the safety net whether it is certified or not. Here is the safety net. Let's check the status. So as you can see, net is very slow. As you can see, safety net is fast in this ROM. And if I talk about the features of this ROM, there is no other option of the separate option of a customization. As you can see, first let's check the fingerprint security and the face unlock also. Here you can see, let's check the speed of the fingerprint. How fast is the fingerprint? Is it good to use for daily usage or not? So as you can see, fingerprint is also good in this ROM. Tap open. As you can see, fingerprint speed is good in this ROM. Fingerprint speed is better. And let's check the face unlock speed. How fast is the face unlock? So now let's check the face unlock also, and the notification light is also working. Face unlock speed is also good in this ROM, so don't worry, you will not feel any problem while using the fingerprint and the face unlock. It seems good, so don't worry. And the Google account gaps is already installed in this ROM, so not need to flash any open gaps. And 5.13 GB storage is free as PUBG is installed in this ROM. Else there is no files in this ROM. I have already deleted the files. And if I talk about the battery performance, let's check the battery performance. Here you can see battery charging. Here you can see here is the battery usage. Battery usage is also good in this ROM. And if I talk about the charging, your device charge very quickly, so don't worry, there is no any problem in the battery usage. And Wi-Fi hotspot, as you can see, Volt is also working perfectly fine. Geo is working, hotspot is working, Wi-Fi is working. Here is the display settings. Let's check the lock screen. Lock screen, there is no always on display. As you can see, double tap to wake is working perfectly. Tap to wake, as you can see. And here is the dark theme is also working. Brightness level is also working. Automatic brightness is also working. Sound is also working, so don't worry. And these all are the features of this ROM. And if I talk about the 3D benchmark, first it was not completed, and after reinstalling this ROM it worked perfectly fine. And as you can see, here is the score of 8789, defeated 1% of the user. Here is the CPU performance, here is the GPU, and memory performance and battery performance. As you can see, only 1% drop in the battery, but the only problem is when you use VPN, net speed is very poor. And and here is the 3D mark test. Let's check the 3D mark test also. And device is certified, Play Store is certified, so don't worry. And let's check the results. Here is the results of extreme and short. Let's check the slingshot. Here is the overall score 815, and here is the graphic 710 graphic test. As you can see, 80% increase score is versus this model compared with the other models of Redmi 5 with other custom ROMs. Here is the score, your score versus overall all device. Let's check the extreme also. 33% is better than the other Xiaomi Redmi 5 device. Here is the my device specification. As you can see, Android 11 is installed in this ROM. Here is the performance, your score Xiaomi Redmi 5 436 441. As you can see, quarter 2 average, here is 3191. Performance range, here is the performance range. As you can see, here is the performance by OS. Here is the OS performance, overall performance. Here is the full specification of this ROM. So these are the few applications installed in this ROM. As safety is also installed. PUBG, I will not check the PUBG performance, I will not show you because it is very laggy, so that's why internet is not working. That's why even after using other applications of the VPN, it is not working perfectly. If you play PUBG, then there may be some problem with the VPN. This camera is working perfectly fine, so don't worry, you will not feel any problem. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe my channel for daily updates.